ዩ ጋይስ ሌላ በጣም የሚደርሰኝ ጥያቄ ስራ እንዴት አድርጌ ላገኝ ነው ማለት ነው። I have one answer to that። ስራ እንዴት አድርጋችሁ እንደምታገኙ እነግራችኋለሁ። This is the last time that I'm gonna tell you, so listen up እና ደግሞ ሴቭ አድርጉት next time መታችሁ እንድታዩት። በመጀመሪያ ደረጃ you need to pinpoint ምን ስራ እንደምትፈልጉ። What is the job title that you're looking for? Okay? Remote ስራ የስራ አይነት አይደለም። IT የስራ አይነት አይደለም። Okay? Health የስራ አይነት አይደለም። You have to be specific. Okay? At the same time, remote ካልሆነ ሞቼ ይገኛለሁ የምትለውን ነገር ለቀቅ አድርጓት because now companies are asking people to come back to work. Okay? That's the very first step. The second step is resumeያችሁን አስተካክሉ. That is important. You have to have an optimized resume. And then your resume for every job title update መደረግ አለበት. If you are applying for IT specialist and then help, I don't know, like desk help specialist, those are different. You need to update the resume for every job title. At the same time, if you are applying for a job that has specific requirement, you need to update the resume again. That's number 2. Number 3, you need to start applying. ለስራ apply ማድረግ መቻል አለባችሁ። apply ያደረጋችሁ when you're getting the feedback, when you're getting the rejections, when you are getting the interviews and you are not getting offers, that is the only way that you can improve. አለበለዚያ if there's no feedback coming in, you're not gonna know what you are doing wrong. Okay? So those are the most 3 important first steps that you can take in order for you to get a job down the road. So yeah, do those. At the same time, resume template, link in my bio. And then if you guys don't understand how to write your resume, how to optimize that, ChatGPT as an aid በመጠቀም እንዴት እንደዛ እንደምትሰሩ ደግሞ ዩቲዩብ ላይ ፖስት አድርጌላችኋለሁ። ሴም ዩዘር ኔም አት ሴም ታይም ባዮ ላይ እዚህ ጋር ገብታችሁ ባዮ ላይ ዩቲዩብም ሬዝሜ ቴምፕሌቱም ሊንክ ተደርጎላችኋል። ጎ ግራብ ኢት ኤንድ ስታርት ዩር ጀርኒ። እናንተ ካልሰራችሁ ማንም አይሰራላችሁም። I hope that was helpful, you guys. Like, share, subscribe አድርጉ። Okay? Bye.